Everyone talks about two-story homes. Well, what about if you wanted a single-story home that is luxurious, that is 2,600 square feet and more, a home that has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and in some cases, also more than one primary bedroom in the house? Well, this is the video going to be for you today because I'm touring 3 luxurious single-story homes here in Elk Grove, California. Each one is from a different builder. So we are covering Taylor Morrison, we're covering Lennar, and we're also covering the luxurious Risewell Homes as well. All 3 floor plans are pretty close to each other, and I want to show you every detail that each one has to offer. In addition to that, we're also going to be talking about all the builder incentives, pricing, neighborhoods, schools, everything that you would want to know before making the purchase. Let's get started. Here is our first home that we're looking at. This is by Taylor Morrison. The floor plan is called Nora. This specific home can be 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 2,480 square feet. This home has 2 primary bedrooms, one a primary large spacious one, and second one being a smaller primary bedroom. 3-car garage, as you can see on the outside. Price is around $810,000. They actually have a home ready to move in at $799,000, but on average, their homes are around $810,000 to $820,000. Entry into the house is beautiful. You have a mini little covered patio up in the front. As soon as you get into the house, you're welcomed by a very large and open hallway. This is something rare that we see in single-story homes, that there is such a wide hallway. As soon as you turn right, you have some of the bedrooms and the bathrooms there that we're going to get to in the next few minutes. We also have a flex room, which is currently situated to be a dining room. The 3 to 4 bedrooms that I talked about, this is the open flex room that gets converted into the 4th bedroom, because we're going to see 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in the model home. But the flex room that you just saw, which is currently modeled to be a dining room, would be the 4th bedroom if you were to go with that option. Again, Taylor Morrison gives you the option to go with 3 bedrooms with the flex room or convert that into the 4th bedroom. As soon as you walk into this open floor plan, it is pretty spacious. It's sort of L-shaped open floor plan where you have family room on the left, you have kitchen on the right, of course a walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry, beautiful backsplash as well. This specific builder still has gas range, so you have the flame gas here and not the electric cooktop. Of course, an island sink in the middle, which the other side of it can also be used sort of a mini dining sort of area, or a table, I guess, countertop as well. Overlooking the kitchen island, of course, is the beautiful family room. And here's the smaller leg of the L-sized open floor plan, where you have room for a decent sized dining table here. You get the covered patio in the backyard with this floor plan, which is also an option, but at this price, it's basically considered in the price. Decent enough backyard as well in the back for you to enjoy the sunny weather of California and also to entertain family and guests. Coming back into the floor plan, just giving you another angle of it, it's pretty spacious. You, of course, have the kitchen, and we talked about the appliances, the backsplash, beautiful cabinetry, big, wide open family room as well. And right next to the family room, it is the entrance to the main spacious primary bedroom. It is private when it compared to this specific floor plan because the other bedrooms are towards the front of the house. So it is completely private from the rest of the house. Very spacious master bedroom. You have the windows letting in tons of natural sunlight. Walking into the primary bathroom here, you have the double sink, you have a bathtub, you also have a standing shower. plenty of space in this walk-in closet. So very spacious bedroom that you get with this specific floor plan. Like I said, a little over 2,400 square feet. It is going to be a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with 2 primary bedrooms. Coming out of the master main bedroom, again, little sneak peek at the dining room here, which can also be your 4th bedroom if you choose to make it so. Turning right here, you of course have your entrance into the 2-car garage, and we're going to show you the entrance into the single car garage in the next few minutes. Here is the second smaller primary bedroom that also has an attached bathroom. Here is another angle of it. Also has a smaller walk-in closet. Here is the attached bathroom on the left. And as soon as we are going to go outside, you're going to see some additional cabinetry on the right. Getting out of this mini hallway, going towards the entrance, and right next to it on the left is another sort of spacious hallway that leads you into the other side of the home, which, starting off, 1-car garage entrance right in the front. You have the 3rd bedroom of the house. Currently, it's situated or modeled to be a home office, but it is basically a bedroom because it has a closet and also has a window. So this specific bedroom is also semi-private because it is right next to the laundry room. So the bedrooms are not really sharing a wall with each other. Plenty of cabinetry in the laundry room as well. And here is the 3rd full bathroom, which is the hallway bathroom. Single sink, bathtub, everything that you need in a full-sized bedroom located downstairs as well. This specific builder has a couple of incentives: 4.99 special 30-year fixed rate, and they're also offering partial closing cost assistance. This is our first of the 3 tours. Now we're going to take you to our second home, which is by Risewell, located in Elk Grove as well. This specific home by Risewell is called Lyric 2632, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,632 square feet. Also has 2 primary bedrooms. This home also has a 3-car garage, but it is a tandem 3-car garage, and the price is around $820,000. This specific home by Lennar is a little bit of a different floor plan than the one that we saw, where the bedrooms are more spread out. But in this specific home, you have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms towards the front of the house. And then you have a spacious floor plan, open floor plan. And with that, you have the main primary bedroom. Let's show you the first 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Towards the right of the house, here is a preview into the 1st bedroom. Nice and spacious, and of course you have windows overlooking to the front yard of the house. Here is another bedroom right next to it, window also looking towards the front of the house. Right in front of these 2 bedrooms is the 3rd bedroom, which also has an attached bathroom, making it the 2nd smaller primary suite. And we're going to show you the main primary suite just in the next minute or so. So this makes it 3 bedrooms sort of together on the side in front of the house. And in addition to these 2 bedrooms and the attached bed and bath, you have the hallway bathroom here as well, which is basically servicing the other 2 bedrooms that you saw next to the smaller primary bedroom here, making it a total of 3 bed, 2 bath in the front of the house. Here is the entrance on the left to the 3-car garage, and you have the laundry room with some cabinetry in there as well. Making our way further, you have the walk-in pantry on the left, welcoming you also this open hallway into the open floor plan. Cabinetry is not as luxurious as you saw with Taylor Morrison just a few minutes ago. Lennar is a very big bulk retailer, and they're known to be price sensitive and also all-inclusive, sort of all-including approach. So all the appliances that you're seeing in the kitchen, from refrigerator to microwave, oven, all that is included in the purchase price of this home that we showed you. Going into here, the wide dining room area as well. This is a different floor plan, like I said, from Taylor. So it really comes down to what floor plan do you tend to resonate with the most. Here is the Master bedroom, the main primary bedroom of the house, very spacious like we saw with Taylor Morrison. You have pretty much the same thing. You have double sink, you have a standing shower, you have a bathtub, also a very spacious walk-in closet here as well, making this specific floor plan very, very efficient as well. And again, this specific floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. You also have a covered patio in the back and tons of natural sunlight also with the open floor plan. With Lennar, price is negotiable, and they're also offering, in most cases, up to 100% closing cost assistance. So make sure you work with the local realtor who understands the new construction space if you are serious about purchasing a brand new home, because we make sure that we let builders compete with each other for your business. Let's go on to our third home for today. This is going to be by Risewell Homes. One caveat, the big glass doors that you see on the right, that would be your 3-car tandem garage. But since the sales team is using the garage as a sales office, they of course don't have the garage door there yet. But if you do end up buying this house, you'll get the garage door there. Risewell Home Residences, 3 to 4 bedroom option as well. This one is 3.5 bathrooms, so you get half a bathroom more. This specific home also has 2 primary bedrooms in here, one main one smaller one. And like I said, this one also has a 3-car tandem garage. Price is also very comparable to what we saw with Lennar Homes. Coming into this house, again, almost everything that we see in all 3 homes, very spacious open floor plan, plenty of space in that family room, kitchen area, and of course the dining table area. Risewell is a newer builder compared to Lennar and Taylor Morrison, so they have a lot to prove. So they are considering or proclaiming themselves to be a luxury builder with a lot of upgrades that they offer standard in the pricing. You can see the black splash, or excuse me, I should say the backsplash, and also the kitchen cabinetry. You also have the gas range here as well, and beautiful cabinetry, beautiful backsplash, island kitchen here as well. Plenty of room to walk around for you and your family, and also open floor concept for you to entertain family and friends. We're going to show you the primary bedroom that this house has to offer, and also 2 additional bedrooms that it has to offer, and also the bathrooms. Here is a sneak peek into the covered backyard patio that also comes included in the price. Lennar, Taylor Morrison, and Risewell, all 3 homes that we are showing you in the video, are located in the Arbor Ranch area in the 95757 zip code. This is where the city is heavily investing in commercial development, schools, everything that you would want in a residential neighborhood. So this is one of the prime areas of Elk Grove where all 3 of these homes are located. Welcoming you into the primary suite of the house. Very, very spacious primary bedroom like we saw with the other 2 homes as well. All of these, like I mentioned multiple times, are single-story homes. Single-story homes in general are more in demand compared to 2-story homes. And that's because, sometimes you have perhaps multi-generations, maybe an elderly parents living with you. Maybe you have kids that are too young and you want to stay in a single floor plan home, and many other factors as well. Some people just don't prefer stairs in their house, so they want to buy a single family home. That way it's more spacious. They also get all the conveniences just on the ground floor. So very popular are single story homes here in Elk Grove, actually even more so than double story homes. So if you don't really need a home that's like 3,000 square feet or more, then a single story home would be great for you. Here is the actually half a bathroom that is different from the other 2 homes that we showed you. Those homes had only full bathrooms. This specific home has a half a bathroom as well. Again, laundry area, plenty of cabinetry throughout the house as well. So a lot of sort of storage is available throughout all of these 3 floor plans. Now we're going to get you to another side of the house where we're going to show you the hallway full bathroom that is located right here. And we're going to show you 2 additional bedrooms that are close to this hallway. Going further down towards the right, you have 1 additional bedroom. This one, of course, has a full attached bathroom as well, making this specific single-story floor plan a two primary bedroom home as well. In addition to that, there is another ground floor bedroom that's right next to it. And I'm going to show you the flex room also, that where you have the option to convert that flex room into the fourth bedroom. We talked a lot in this video so far. And one other thing I want to mention to you before we wrap up the third model home tour, which is similar to Lennar, price is also negotiable with this builder. Closing cost assistance is also available up to 100%. With Risewell, with Lennar, we have heavy negotiations that are possible on price. So I would not be surprised if we are able to get you these two beautiful homes, the last two that you saw, below $800,000. And again, price is negotiable. That's where a local realtor comes in handy. Let's talk a little bit more about mortgage payment before we wrap this video today. I know this video is helpful for you to understand what large single-story homes are available in the city of Elk Grove today that are brand new. Well, we toured 3 different homes. All 3 are luxurious open floor plan homes that also come with multiple primary bedrooms. Not all homes are created equal, and not all builders are created equal as well. As a local expert here in Elk Grove, California, that is focusing on new construction homes, I stay on top of price reductions, builder incentives, and also all the negotiation tactics that we can put together when we are negotiating with the builder on the behalf of our clients. If you have any questions about what you saw in the video today, my number is going to be in the description of the video. One other thing I want to do here is let's take an average of $800,000 purchase price. So I'm going to move a little bit to the side here to show you what the payment structure would look like at the $800,000 price point. In addition to that, there are other builder incentives like I talked about. So please make sure you work with a local expert who understands the market, who understands what each builder is willing to negotiate on. So that way you don't leave any money on the table before purchasing your new home. My number is in the description of the video. My name is Sandeep Singh, and I look forward to helping you make Elk Grove your future home.